Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery on this style of Audi fob. So first off, we're going to go ahead and hit this spare key release button right here. Go ahead and set that to the side, and then we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to be taking this whole little cover off right here. So the way you're going to do that is, as you can see down in here, there's a little small, let me move you around real quick. So there's a little clip down in here. Let's see if you can see it, like right there. And we're just gonna push up and sort of pry up at the same time. So sort of go at an angle just like this. And just like that, this whole little cover will pop up. And then we're going to remove this old battery. Just use your screwdriver for that. And then we're going to replace the old one with the new one. And we're gonna put the letters facing up, or the plus side up right here. Make sure that clips in. And then we're going to put the back cover back on. So there are gonna be two little tabs up top. So go ahead and put it in top first. And it's gonna snap in. Just like that. Then we're going to put the spare key back in. Make sure it clicks. There you go.